I'm so excited to show this 120 bands. They come in different colors. These bands come with inspirational words in it, and also it comes with Bible verses in it. I also love the fact that they have different colors. This silicone handbag comes with inspirational words and Bible verses on it. I love that they're nice and good quality, thick. You can use them for Bible verse memorization, also for camp, for Bible studies, for any convention, any events that you have. They come in a variety of different colors that you can use. And I love the fact that they're unisex, so you can use for men and women, and it is absolutely great, well made, and it is also quite stretchy. So this is it. Absolutely love how it looks, and I love that the words are well printed, clear, and visually appealing.